How to create a Weverse account. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a Weverse account within some steps. So without any further delay, let's get started with it. First of all, download the Weverse application onto your device from Google Play Store or your App Store, and then open it. And this page will appear on the first thing. So you can read here the following accesses are required for Weverse. If you agree to it, just tap on Start Weverse and choose the language. I'm going to choose English and tap on Next, and then tap on Join or Login. And here we can log in or sign up on Weverse account to our Gmail, our Twitter, or our Apple ID. And I'm going to continue with my Google account. So tap on Continue. After entering your email, Gmail, or your Apple ID or Twitter account, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on agreeing on everything and tap on Next. And tap on agree to receive or disagree it. I'm going to disagree and tap on OK. And there you go, you have successfully signed up for a Weverse account. You may go live using this account or see your idols being live on this app. So the login, you may just use your Google account or your email or other options that you have used, and you are good to go. So in this way, you can easily register on Weverse by following this process. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe option.